Hello friends and greetings for the day. Welcome back to the channel, and today in this particular video we are not talking about any of the tutorials, any of the certification. I would rather like to introduce you to the new button which you can see at the bottom of the video which you are watching right now. There's a join button, and I would like to thank all of you to make this channel eligible to get the memberships at a very low count of subscribers and based on the views. So hearty thankful to all of you to make this achievement successful. And today in this particular video, I'm going to talk about what exactly this membership is all about and how this helps you to benefit and get more outputs from these tutorials. Of course, there will be a lot of questions that why this membership, what's the benefit, what happens to those who don't take the membership, is that going to make any difference, and how does that really help somebody if you become a member, and if that is chargeable or free of cost, and a lot of other things. So yes, this video is completely to talk about the memberships of TMS Technology Solution YouTube channel, and we will be talking in a little while for that. So the first of all, as a part of membership, you do get exclusive contents or some add-on perks to assist your preparation on the certification. And at the same time, it also helps you to get some extra support from my end, which might not be possible in my regular schedules. And I'll be rather taking out more time to help the members of the community to support them with their preparation. We do have to understand that not all the users or not everyone is having the same level of understanding on any technical concepts. Some people, when it comes to learning, some people understand with very simple statements. Some people needs more assistance. It is very well justified by the interaction of the channel viewers itself, that some of you passed the examination with just the video tutorials. Some of you passed after interacting with the comment box and asking me questions. Some of you have even asked me for more sample questions to understand. And the fourth category is people have taken a live training with me, full-fledged training, to understand all the concepts in order to pass the examination. So as you see, we have different viewers, different personalities when it comes to learning, and everyone has their own pace to understand. And considering this analysis, I opted to go for the membership option of YouTube. And here, the members will get some add-on benefits and support in order to prepare well for their certification. So first of all, this membership is not free of cost, and would like to also tell that a lot of people were coming to me and saying that you're doing a pretty good job, and we would like to appreciate that and probably provide you appreciation of token of appreciation, or some kind of information, or maybe some kind of support which you can use to further enhance the channel, or maybe create more blogs, or probably put up some sample questions on website so that we can practice. So I think I'm going to use this membership amount for these additional activities, which will be benefiting a lot of people around, and that comes from you. So this membership is going to be chargeable, but just peanuts, because the values are very small, and I think it is affordable by the people who would like to support the channel. So this is very clear that this membership is optional. There is no impact on my delivery. There is no impact on the set of tutorials. There is no impact on the content which I deliver as a part of tutorial. So you still get the same way of learning, same detailed explanation of each and every concept, no matter which certification we'll be talking in future. So you will have access to the previous videos as well as the upcoming future videos, and with the same standard of learning. No compromising on any of that. It's just that as that other group of people who needs better assistance and more interaction to understand certain concepts, we are talking about membership. So this membership comes with two different packages. Number one, that this is TMS Silver, which is the first package, which comes with an amount of INR 119, that is 119 rupees. And you can get this silver package membership, where silver member package includes some of the basic things like the loyalty badges, which every member gets depending on the tenure. So you start with the very first month, and then as you grow, your color of the loyalty badges will change, which you can see right now on the screen. So as you grow with the channel, you have different color being awarded to you, as this is helpful for me to understand that how old my members are and how long they have been associated with the channel, in order to support the channel and me to do the good work for everyone. Second, you also get 3 custom emojis which are created by me in order to use them during the live chats and any of the live sessions. So you are free to use these emojis to support with thank you, wonderful, or great work kind of things. So yes, you do get some custom members only emojis to use them during the live sessions or live chats. The next thing is when you talk about the tips and tricks. So generally in my videos, I do share a lot of tips and tricks, but some people may have a personal level of guidance required, like kind of counseling, to see that I'm trying to understand a concept, something like this. So what is your suggestion on that? So I'm talking about those tips and tricks will be a part of this members exclusive program, that is TMS Silver. So you get a lot of tips and tricks in order to prepare well for a particular content, be it any certification, you get this support. Additionally, you also get members only video, which is going to talk about the video driven solutions. So generally for our chats or comments, I do provide writing an answer on that comment and replying back to you. But when it is complex, it becomes difficult for me to justify the answer. So rather, I would prefer to create a video driven solution and upload that video for members only, and you will be able to see those requests as an answer. So of course, this request will be taken from the members and responded to the members. So this does not impact the general comments box, which I do every weekend. So it will be a part of that. So don't worry. And when it comes to additional part of this perk is also early response to comments. Now you see that team every day as the channel is growing, I get a lot of comments on different videos about different questions, different topics. And it becomes quite hectic for me to respond immediately. I'm not saying I'm not responding to them. It's just that it becomes quite, delayed to respond everyone. So if you are a member of the channel, probably I would prefer to respond to you first, because you are supporting the initiative and adding more value to it, and you are exclusive member to that. So I would prefer to respond to the members chat first. And there are a lot of people who just comment in order to spam. So that will help me to filter out those things and keep them away from the channel to let the channel grow. So that's the very basic first thing to understand from our first package, that is TMS Silver, that you have some loyalty badges for all the members, no matter which package you take. Second, you do understand that there are some custom emojis. You get tips and tricks for the examination. You have members only videos for your queries. And additionally, you do get the early responses on the comment. Yes, the other people, non-members, will also have the same response from me, but probably, yes, as usual, as I take around 24 hours to respond to the comments, you may expect the same thing as a part of it. So I'll just try to find extra time out for the members exclusively. The second package which we have as a part of our membership program is the TMS Gold, which is Team Square Gold package, which costs you around INR 199. Okay, I repeat, the TMS Gold package will cost you around 199 rupees, and it includes the perks from the silver package. Okay, it includes the perk from the silver package, which we just discussed right now. Plus, if you go for the gold package, you get the previous and the add-ons as additional sample questions with justification. So I'm going to, when you are putting an extra love, appreciation to me, so I'm also going to add a little more love to you and give back to you some additional questions, a lot of other questions which will be beyond my videos, regular videos, and help you to understand certain concepts with justification. So there will be a lot of such videos, member exclusive videos, which will be uploaded in order to help you understand. And not only that, the gold members additionally also get a 1 hour exclusive live session to discuss about the topics or any kind of queries, any kind of questions, or you have any specific topic to elaborate or you want me to explain you that, we can do that as a part of weekly 1 hour live session. So this 1 hour live session will be other than my regular live session which happens every day on Saturday, but this members only live session will be exclusively only for the members. And here we don't answer your queries. We can also talk about certain topics to explain you better, because obviously you do understand during the live sessions you have so many people asking questions and I cannot really address all the questions because of the time crunch. So it maybe, being a part of the membership programs, you will have a freedom to put your queries and even ask me more detailed explanation for anything. And in fact, I will have only limited people to talk about in that detail, and I can satisfy better with my responses with better justification being a part of this program. So yes, the membership allows you to have additional 1 hour live, plus you can also be a part of the general live session every weekend. So that's more important to understand about the membership which I have launched recently, and I would request you all to be a part of the channel and support it to grow further, and in turn help me to help you achieve your goals and success. So when you talk about the memberships, yes, it's just going to give you additional features over my regular effort on the channel. And those who do not take the membership, you do not have any harm. It's just that the additional supports what I'm providing to the members will not be added to the regular. But yes, the regular interval of videos, the content, my effort, my explanation, sample questions, what I generally do as a part of my certification tutorials will be always available to you, and you can always watch them. And there is no difference between you and the members except the additional perks which I'll be getting them in return of the membership. So, and last but not the least, this membership is completely optional. If you need additional help beyond the tutorials, you are free to take the membership. Otherwise, if you are happy with the tutorials and able to understand everything, we are good to go. And don't worry, that live session which we every day have over the weekend, every weekend, will be always there for everyone, and I will be a part of that session. So there is no compromises, is all I would like to say, by having membership. But yes, just for few people who need extra support, extra guidance, we have this membership option. All right, so that's all for you, and this is what I had in this particular tutorial to let you know that what my membership options are all about. And yes, this will help many others who needs extra guidance and additional supports in order to pass their examination. So that's all from this particular episode, team. Should you have anything else, feel free to comment below. And until then, keep learning, keep exploring, keep understanding the context. Thanks for watching the video, team. Looking forward for your love and support, and happy learning.